Let's create a faceless fitness video using Google Veo 3. So we're going to start on ChatGPT to get the script. So I'm going to just come here and then click on this arrow so that ChatGPT can create the prompt for us so that we can create the images. Okay, so we've got 5 different poses prompt. So we're gonna just copy the prompt, and then we're gonna be using the flex clip. Okay, so you can just use any other platform that can generate images for you. So I'm gonna be using flex clip on this because I know it's gonna create very unique and high quality images for me. So any other platform that you prefer, as long as you will be happy with the images after the AI generated for you. So I'm gonna go to flex clip. I'm gonna paste the prompt right here, and then I come here to the style, and then I'm gonna leave it on 9. There are lots of style that you can just go through and see which one will be suitable for you. With this one, I'm gonna go with the model ultra, so you can just choose fast or pro, it doesn't matter. So with the size of the image, I need 16.9. So I'm just gonna click right here and then wait for some few seconds. Okay, so these are the results. So I just need to come in here, download the one that I need. So I'm gonna just download this one, also download this one, and download a different one. And okay, so we're gonna be using a Google Veo 3. So we're gonna come here to Google Veo 3, and then you must make sure that you come here to try in flow. Click on that one, and this is what you need to come create with flow. Click on it again. Okay, then after you're gonna come here on this page, and then you're gonna need to come here to click on the new project, and then you wait. So what you need to do is to come here, depending on what you are doing. If you're doing a text to video, you can just come up with your text, and or you can just write whatever that you want to write here. You can paste it, or you can just start by writing. So another thing, you can just click on here and then just decide on what you want to use. So I'm going to be using the frames to okay, so I'm gonna be using frames to video, so you can use whatever that you want. And then with the ingredient to video, I don't have access to that since I'm not on ultra. I'm not subscribed to this one. I'm only subscribed to the pro version, which is only allowing me to use only these 2 options. So I'm gonna go with the frames to video. Okay, so I'm gonna need to come here and then to this plus sign, and then you add the image of your choice. I'm gonna come here to upload. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the images. Let's just see which one we can just take. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this image and then click right here. Okay, so you need to crop and save, so I'm gonna just crop it and save it like that. Okay, so here I need to put the prompt of which I command the AI to do exactly as I wish. So I'm gonna just put it right here, and then I come here to these settings, click on that, and then you need to decide on which model you want. So there are 3 models that are available. There is a Veo2 fast, Veo2 quality, Veo3 highest quality. So I'm gonna go with this one since it has the audio. Then it's gonna be very nice so that we can hear the lady while she's actually exercising. So we're gonna come here to this arrow, you click on it so that it can generate your image, it can generate your video. So I'm gonna click on right here. Okay, so these are the result. We can just have a look and see how the AI has generated this images, and then see the how it will sound like. So we can just come here and click on this arrow, and then just watch and see what is happening. Oh, this one, it doesn't have a sound though. Okay, so we can have a look on the second one. Let's check this one out. Oh, this is the same thing. Let's see this one. This one has a sound. Oh, that's so great, mate. And then let's just have a look on this one. Such a weird sound though, but it's great. All right, let's see this one. I don't understand why that other one didn't have a sound, but okay, so when you are done, you can just come here to download them. You can download them one by one right here, and then when you're done, you can just go to the editing platform of your choice. Okay, so we are using Canva on this one. You can use any other platform of your choice. Okay, so you can just start by bringing everything into Canva. So I've already done that. Then you can just put them the way you want, and then you also gonna need to add the transition on here. So I've already done that, and then also you can add the music. So I've already added the music right here. I've just created the music from Refusion AI. So I've got lots of videos where I'm actually showing how to create the music on this AI. So this is the end result. So we are done with the tutorials for today. I will see you in the next one.
Lace up, step in the zone. Red fit on, I'm working alone. Blind out for popping, confidence grown. Pushing that weight like a queen on the throne. Leg press low, then I rise like heat. Heartbeat fast when I woke up. Sweat drip down, that's a victory sign. One more sec, girl, it's your time to shine. Push through the burn, don't stop. Power in your stride, you were made to be great. Strong like fire, moving to the beat. Get on it, never face defeat.